conditioning problem. Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. Yes, I have a small problem in my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
The air conditioning isn't working.
Oh, I see. I'm very sorry about that.
Yes, it's very warm in the room.
I understand. May I have your room number, please?
Yes, it's room 307 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. Is it very warm in the room?
Yes, very warm. I can't sleep at night.
I understand. That must be uncomfortable.
Yes, it is.
Did you try turning the air conditioning off and on again?
Yes, I tried many times. Nothing happens.
Okay. Is there a light on the air conditioning panel?
There is no light and no sound.
All right, thank you for checking.
I hope it can be fixed today.
Of course, I'll call our technician right away.
Can he come today?
Yes, he is already in the hotel.
Oh, great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. He should arrive soon.
Do you know how long it will take?
About 15 to 20 minutes.
That's fine.
In the meantime, would you like a fan?
Yes, please. That would be great.
In the meantime, would you like a fan?
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
It's my pleasure. Your comfort is important to us.
If the air conditioning cannot be fixed, what can we do?
If necessary, we can change your room. But first, we will try to fix it.
That's good to know. Yes, all right.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for now.
Okay. I'll send the technician and bring the fan shortly.
Thank you again for your help.
You're very welcome, and I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
That's okay. Thank you.
Please enjoy the rest of your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon.
Ordering a taxi at the hotel. Good morning, can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please, I need a taxi.
Of course. Do you need the taxi right now?
Yes, as soon as possible, please.
All right. Where would you like to go?
I'm going to Grand Central Station.
I see. Do you have a train to catch?
Yes, I do. My train leaves at 10 o'clock.
Okay. You still have some time, but traffic is quite heavy this morning.
Oh no, that makes me a little nervous.
I understand. Morning traffic can be busy.
Do you think I will still make it on time?
Yes, I think so, especially if the taxi arrives soon.
That's a relief. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me confirm something first. You're staying in room 203, correct?
Yes, that's right. Room 203.
Great. And do you have any luggage?
Yes, I do. I have one big suitcase and a backpack.
All right, I'll order a large taxi for you.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
No problem at all. Please give me one moment while I call the taxi company. Okay, I've ordered the taxi.
Great. How long will it take?
The taxi should arrive in about 10 to 15 minutes.
That's perfect. I still have enough time.
Yes, you do.
Can I wait here in the lobby?
Of course. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. By the way, is there a coffee machine here?
Yes, there is. It's right next to the elevator.
Wonderful. I really need a cup of coffee this morning.
I understand. Many guests say the same thing.
I didn't sleep very much last night.
I hope the coffee helps.
I'm sure it will.
Sir, your taxi is already here.
Oh, that was fast.
Yes, the driver arrived earlier than expected.
That's great news.
The taxi is waiting right outside the main entrance.
Perfect. I'll get my luggage.
Do you need help with your suitcase?
No, thank you. I can manage.
All right. Have a safe trip.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your journey. Good morning, sir. Are you going to Grand Central Station?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Please put your suitcase in the trunk.
Thank you.
No problem. Is this all your luggage?
Yes, just the suitcase and my backpack.
All right, please have a seat.
Thank you.
We'll take the fastest route, but traffic is a bit heavy.
That's okay. My train leaves at 10.
No worries. We should arrive on time.
I really hope so.
Don't worry. I know this area very well.
That's good to hear. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go. Asking for the right bus.
Excuse me, could you please help me?
Of course. How can I help you?
Which bus goes to the park?
Do you mean Central Park?
Yes, exactly. That's the one.
All right. You need to take bus number 12.
Bus no, 12. Okay.
Yes. It stops right near the park.
That's great. Does the bus come often?
Yes, it comes every 15 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
No, it's quite frequent.
Do you know when the next one arrives?
Let me check the time. It should be here in about 5 minutes.
Perfect. I really don't like waiting for a long time.
Me neither. Waiting can be boring.
Is this the correct bus stop?
Yes, you're standing in the right place.
Good to know. I was a little worried.
No need to worry. You're doing fine.
Does the bus stop right at the park entrance?
Yes, it stops at the main entrance.
That's very convenient.
Yes, many people use this bus to go to the park.
Can I buy a ticket on the bus?
Yes, you can buy a ticket from the driver.
Do I need cash?
Yes, and you need exact change.
I see. How much is the ticket?
It's $2.
That's fine. I have coins.
Perfect. Then you're ready.
Is the bus usually crowded?
Not too much, especially at this time of day.
That's good. I don't like very crowded buses.
I understand. This one is usually comfortable.
How long does the ride take?
About 10 to 15 minutes depending on traffic.
That's very quick.
Yes, the park is quite close from here.
Is Central Park nice this time of year?
Yes, it's beautiful. The trees are green and many people go for walks.
That sounds lovely. I'll enjoy it.
Is there anything I should know before going?
Just keep your ticket with you and enjoy your time. Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
Oh, I think I see the bus coming.
Yes, that's bus number 12.
Great timing.
Yes, you won't have to wait long at all.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your visit to the park.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.